Are you looking for the best carpet cleaner? In this video we will look at some of the best carpet cleaner on the market. Before we get started with our video,
we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
Number 1. Bissell Big Green. The Bissell Big Green Professional Carpet Cleaner stands as a remarkable household cleaning solution, offering a potent blend of performance and purpose. With a core commitment to making a positive impact, each purchase contributes to the Bissell Pet Foundation, an organization dedicated to rescuing and safeguarding homeless pets. One of the standout features of this carpet cleaner is its ability to surpass the effectiveness of leading rental options. With a robust power rating of 12 amps, users can achieve professional-grade cleaning results within the comfort of their own home. This proficiency is amplified by the inclusion of the XL Dirt Lifter Powerbrush, equipped with 8 rows of bristles that work in tandem to meticulously penetrate carpet fibers, dislodging and elevating deeply embedded dirt. Offering unparalleled versatility, the Bissell Big Green Carpet Cleaner provides a comprehensive cleaning solution. The 9-foot-long reach hose and accompanying 6-inch tough stain tool empower users to effortlessly clean not only carpets, but also stairs, upholstery, and those tricky, hard-to-reach areas that often accumulate grime. Number 2. Hoover PowerDash. The Hoover PowerDash is a user-friendly and efficient carpet cleaner designed to make your cleaning tasks hassle-free and effective. Its lightweight and compact design, along with a plastic handle, ensure easy maneuverability and convenient storage. Equipped with powerful cleaning capabilities, the Hoover PowerDash is especially effective at tackling pet messes, high-traffic areas, and small spaces. Its high power and lightweight construction contribute to its overall cleaning prowess, allowing you to efficiently remove dirt and stains from your carpets. One notable feature of the Hoover PowerDash is its heat force technology, which facilitates faster drying of your carpets. This means you can quickly resume using your clean carpets without the inconvenience of extended drying times. Number 3. Hoover FH52000. The Hoover FH52000 is a cutting-edge carpet cleaner that incorporates advanced automatic cleaning technology to streamline the carpet cleaning process. This innovative device is equipped with a range of features that enhance efficiency and convenience, making it an ideal choice for users seeking a hassle-free and effective cleaning experience. One of the standout features of the Hoover FH52000 is its automatic cleaning technology. Users can simply push the cleaner forward to effectively clean their carpets and then pull it back to initiate the drying process. This intuitive approach eliminates the need for manual adjustments and ensures consistent cleaning and drying results. The auto-clean motion sensing design of the Hoover FH52000 further simplifies operation. By intelligently detecting the cleaning motion, this design eliminates the need for triggers or buttons, making the entire process more seamless and user-friendly. Number 4. Bissell SpotClean ProHeat. The Bissell SpotClean ProHeat is a versatile and efficient portable carpet and upholstery cleaner designed to tackle stubborn stains and spots with ease. As part of Bissell's commitment to supporting animal welfare, every purchase of the SpotClean ProHeat contributes to the Bissell Pet Foundation's mission of rescuing and finding homes for homeless pets. One of the standout features of the SpotClean ProHeat is its ability to achieve permanent stain removal using the power of Bissell's Oxy formula, combined with its strong suction capabilities. This dynamic combination enables users to effectively combat even the toughest spots and stains on various surfaces, from carpets to upholstery. The inclusion of heatwave technology sets the SpotClean ProHeat apart by maintaining the optimal water temperature throughout the cleaning process. This ensures that as you work to loosen and eliminate stubborn stains, the warmth of the water contributes to the efficacy of the cleaning process. The device boasts a suction power of 2.3 amps, further enhancing its stain removal capabilities. Number 5. Bissell Turboclean Powerbrush. The Bissell Turboclean Powerbrush is a versatile and efficient cleaning tool designed to tackle tough stains, pet messes, and embedded dirt on various surfaces. This cleaning device is not only practical but also embodies a commitment to a noble cause. As part of Bissell's ethos, every purchase of a Bissell product contributes to saving pets, as the company proudly supports the Bissell Pet Foundation and its mission to provide aid to homeless animals. At the heart of the Bissell Turboclean Powerbrush's effectiveness is its powerful cleaning capabilities. Equipped with a 4-0 dirt lifter power brush and robust suction, this cleaning machine has the capacity to effectively remove embedded dirt and grime, leaving your surfaces refreshed and revitalized. One of the standout features of the Bissell Turboclean Powerbrush is its ability to swiftly and efficiently clean spots and stains. With the inclusion of the potent Bisselexy formula, even challenging stains like cola and urine are no match for its cleaning prowess. This formula works in conjunction with the machine's scrubbing capabilities to provide a comprehensive stain removal solution.